Hello everyone! Ang aking drink ko for today is itong mga milk tea. 6 to guys. 6. So, titikman natin ito siya. Unahin natin ito. Wow! Ito yung Maxi milk tea. Yummy! Ito naman yung mango guys. Mango. Wow. Sarap ng mango guys. Ito naman, ito natin. Mga bang flavor to? Ito yung Milo guys. Chocolate. Ito naman guys. Sikwan natin. Ano flavor to? Nakalimutan ko ang flavor to guys. So, ito guys yung cappuccino na milk tea. Ito, masarap lang yan. Tikpad naman ng ito isa. Ito yung coffee milk tea. Ang sarap guys. Ito naman yung last. Ayan. Ito na yung tea. Iced tea milk tea. Hi! Hi, Willie. Ang sarap lahat, guys. Pero pinaka-favorite ko ito. Ito, tsaka ito. Lahat sila. Sarap sila. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me in TikTok. If you want to be something, please click the yellow basket in this video and go to my TikTok shop. Bye!